Hi all, welcome to FabGen Nuggets. Here in this video, I'm going to present you a small solution to a very rare problem that can occur in any Android devices. And the problem is unable to update or install any application from the Google Play Store. Let's say if I try to update this application, it loads but never ever update or install. And the solution to this kind of problem is here. Go to settings, go to applications, try locating the Google Play Store, and then go to storage, clear data. That's it. Now you can flawlessly go to Play Store, try and find whatever app you wish to update or install, and then do it without any problem. So hope you find this video informative, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share the channel within your friends and family. Thanks for watching again.